Hey, this is Sissa Fitness. My name is Ashley. We got Karen and we got Fatima. And this is Happy Haitian Independence Day. You know it, yes.
Make sure you drink that soup jumu.
Soup jumu. Yes. And that chocolat in the morning. We're going to get started. Yes. All right, let's get it going. This year has been tough, so we're going to give it all we got here. All right? Hey, let's get vibe to the music. All right, I'm going to let you know when to go low with the legs. Low. Hey. Nice. Up. Hey. Low. Up. Hey. Low. Up. Low. Up. Hey. Nice. Hey. Up. Nice. Now we're gonna go and sway. 2020 has been a crazy year. Yes, shoulders, side. Nice. Hey, we're gonna bring it low. Nice. Up. Be proud of yourself. This year has been one tough year. But guess what? You made it. All right? Keep going. Go ahead, ladies. Hey. Nice. Low. Hey. Up. Good. Low. Up. Hey. Low. Up. All right, sway. Hey. Shoulders to the side. Right. Left. Aye, bobo. Woo! Keep going. Good. All right. Leg. Low. Up. Pretty simple. Low. Up. Good. Low. Woo, I know you guys feel that. Up. Low. Up. Nice. Low. Woo! 2020 has been that year, but 2021 is going to be your year. Woo! Let's go. Hey. Welcome back. All right. Another Aibobo song. We represent the culture. We're going to start to the right. To the right. Kick. Kick. Hey. Right. Kick. Nice. Keep going. Hey. Hey. Oh. Hey. Keep going. Kick. Scoop after this. Scoop. All right, to the side. Go. Hey. 2021. All right, we're going to do the legs. Two to the side. Keep going. Now cross. Again. Leg again. Cross. All right, going to the right. Nice. Nice. Kick. Keep going. Hey, hey. Sessa in the house. Woo! Right. Kick. We're gonna do scoop. 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 Hey. Hey. Nice. Hey. This is a beautiful song. Ain't that right, ladies? We're gonna go to the side. Side. Hey. Nice. Woo! All right. Legs two to the side, to the side. Let's go. Cross. Hey. Hey. Again. Cross. Nice. Hey. Hey. Okay. Okay. Nice. The ladies way ahead of me, but they killing it though. Hey. Keep going. Scoop. Scoop. Keep going. Hey. Hey. Next one is side to side with the arms swaying. We're gonna start to the right. This way. Hey. Nice. Keep going. Hey. Two to the side. Hey. Cross. Hey. All right. Right. Left. Right. Left and cross. Scoop. Nice. Hey. All right, we're gonna look back. Hey. Woo! Hey. Good job. Hello guys, Fatima here. L'union fait la force. Alright? Are you guys ready? We say self fitness. We're gonna start to the right one hand and then to the left one hand, okay? Right. Left. Yes. Yes. Left. Now, two hands. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Montre un point. Non, non. Hey! Forward. Back up. Forward. Keep your belly tight. Back up. Stay in place. Turn to the right. To the left. Les amis, mes paysans, oui? Yes. Stay in place. Valou. Nous partons vers le fronton. Révolution, oui? Ouais, guys, team Wachesh. Up.
Nous même qui pour lever tête nous. Dignité nous, fierté nous, ok? Tim Tim Wachesh. Hop! Pas mieux aller. Pas mieux aller. Y aller, bon, y rester dans le cœur nous. Et nous continuons à batailler pour eux. Tim Tim. Hop! Nous, oui? Joignez. Levez tête Haïti. Woo! We did it! Let's get ready. Now. Back. Back for 4, okay? Ibo. Back. Keep going with your back. Go down. Ibo. Virez. Ibo. On va le virer sous le bord droite là. Keep going like this. And go down pour nous faire genou revolt. All right, pick it up. Yes. Pick it up. C'est ça, fitness. Fatima here. Burn. Montrez courage nous. Woo. And like this. Yes. Down. Hey, ladies. Walk with it. Back. Tabou. Back. Ibo. Back for 4. Ibo. Back. Keep going. Keep your belly tight. C'est ça, fitness. Pick it up. Yes. Burn. Potencial. Happy Independence Day. All right. Sense of fitness. Fatima here. Ashley here. Karen here. Happy Independence Day. Woo! Hello everyone, Karen here. Again, we're still celebrating Haitian Independence Day. This is an amazing day, January 1st. Haitians across the world are celebrating Haitian Independence Day. But make sure you remember to save us some soup jumu, because we're coming over. All right, to the right. Bring it down. Again. Bring it down. Again. To the side. Keep breathing. Again. You guys are doing great. Keep going. All right, step. Yes. Work for that soup jumu. All right. Bring the arms down. To the left. Bring those arms down. To the right. Right. Low. Again. Doing great. Step. Keep breathing. Again. Low. How low can you go? You guys are doing great. All right. To the right. Keep breathing. Arms down. To the left. Amazing job. Step forward for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Back. Let's face this way. Wait for that super jumu. Turn. Face this way. You're doing great. All right. Congo. Leg out. Hey. Keep breathing. Keep going. Hold that stomach in. Switch sides. Woo. Yes, Congo. Arms up. Bring it down. Other side. Bring it down. Step. Arms up. Out. Back it up. Again. Keep going. Out. Keep going. All right. Step. 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Yes. You guys are doing great. Turn to the right. Congo. Let's go. Yes. Keep going. Keep breathing. Other way. Woo! Keep breathing. Let's shake. Shake. You guys did it. Great job. Awesome. Great job. Woo! All right, guys, so this is the last one. Make sure you give it your all. Again, we're celebrating Haitian Independence Day. I know you have that nice hot bowl of soup waiting for you, but remember, like I said, save some for Karen, save some for Fatima, and save some for Ashley, because we want some, okay? We love it, okay? So we're gonna give it our all for this last song, show our Haitian pride. All right, let's go. Yes. If you have a Haitian flag, keep going. Keep going. Turn this way. Hey. Keep going. To the right. First country. All right, let's go. Hey. And wave. Again. To the right. Hold it here. Again. Keep going. Over here. Again. Keep going. Keep going. No looking back. Let's go. Woo. Keep going. Woo! Great job. Time for cool down. All right, guys, this is the best part. You guys worked out awesome, and your reward today is a nice bowl of soup jumeau. All right, so what we're gonna do right now, we're just gonna bring those arms up slowly and down. Keep breathing. One more time. Bring those arms up and down. All right, we're gonna bring that right leg out. And we're gonna stretch out the hamstring. Just go as low as you can. Keep breathing. Ooh, this feels great. Hope this feels good for you guys too. Feel that nice stretch. Hope you guys enjoyed our workout today. Again, celebrating Haitian Independence Day. All right. We're gonna go ahead and switch sides. Now we're gonna bring that left leg forward. Same thing, doing that nice stretch in the hamstring. Again, take it as low as you can go. And most importantly, keep breathing. Oh, this feels good. Alright, so we're gonna bring it up. Now let's stretch out those arms. Arm up, bring it across. Have that nice arm stretch. Keep breathing. This is the best part. Hope you guys are enjoying this stretch. Alright, let's switch arms. Arm up, bring it across. Stretch. I know this is a new year. It's time to work on those New Year resolutions. So remember to, whatever you put your mind to do, you can do it. Believe in yourself. Say words of affirmations. All those things can help. Switch arms. Ooh, we're going to stretch out the neck. All right, let's lean our head to the right. Do that nice stretch in the neck. All right, switch sides. By the way. Okay, now we're going to do a nice little quad stretch. Stretching out this muscle right here. Pull that stomach in. If you have a chair, you can always use a chair, but you gotta build the stomach in. That helps keep your balance. Alright, let's go ahead and switch legs. Same thing, hold that stomach in. Keep those knees together. Feel that nice quad stretch here. Now we're going to stretch out our inner thigh. You can go as low as you can. Nice inner thigh stretch. Ooh, I love this stretch. Great stretch, guys. Ooh. All right. Now let's roll up slowly, one vertebrae at a time. Actually, just hold it here for a second. Go side to side. All right, and now let's roll it up slowly. All right, guys, this is it. You guys did it. Again, happy Haitian Independence Day. I'm Karen, this is Fatima, this is Ashley. You guys did it. See you guys next time.
Happy Independence